Are you looking for a book that we do not have in the Prince George Public Library catalog? If the book was published more than 2 years ago, you can place a request for an interlibrary loan through IllumeBC. Illume lets you borrow books from other BC libraries. We cannot request audiovisuals, periodicals, or reference materials. In order to place an interlibrary loan, head to the Prince George Public Library website, and under the Services tab, you can find Interlibrary Loans. Click on that and it will bring you to our Interlibrary Loans page. Once here, under Requesting an Item, you can click on the link and that will bring you to the IllumeBC website. Once on the IllumeBC website, you can search the title you are looking for in the search bar at the top of the page. Once the list populates, find the correct title and click on it. It may ask you to click between multiple records. If this happens, please choose the one with the most copies. There will be a button that says Request this item. Click on that box and it will ask you to log in. You will log in using your Prince George Public Library card and your PIN number. Once you have logged in, it will bring up this form for you to fill out. Please make sure that your information is correct and fill out your preferred contact and pickup location. Once the form is filled out, hit the Submit button in the bottom right-hand corner. Once the interlibrary loan request is approved by PGPL staff, the item will typically arrive in 7 to 10 business days. If you would like to check on the status of your interlibrary loan, click User Login if you are not logged in, or Your Account if you are, at the top right corner of the screen. Then select Items from Other Libraries. You will then be able to check the status of items that you have requested or cancel the title if you no longer need it by clicking Cancel Item.